A lot of people has been asking me, Dara, is there no way to make any video to go viral, even if I don't have a big audience? Well, today I'm finally revealing the secret I have been keeping all this while. This is not some random tips you have heard before. This is about an SEO hack. I use it to grow my small channel, and I'm getting hundreds and thousands of views on some of my videos that were stuck at 30 views, 15 views, 20 views. And yes, it works. I mean, this trick that I'm giving right now actually work. Even if you have 0 subscriber, this will definitely work for you. So stay with me, because I am going to walk you through the exact step, and by the end of this video you will know how to literally push your videos to the top of search and for YouTube to start recommending your video. In this video, I will show you how to make any YouTube video you upload on your channel to go viral using a powerful but simple SEO strategy. I will also break down 6 proven things you can start doing today to make YouTube's algorithm to fall in love with your content. For YouTube to work in your own favor, even if no one is clicking on your video yet. Now, let me tell you how I discovered this particular hack. Is going to wow you. So if you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, and Grow with Dara 247, and on this channel I talk about the tips, the tricks and strategy you use to grow your channel fast. And if this is the kind of video you want to see today on my channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn the notification bell so that you get notified each time I publish a video like this. So let's dive into the main video. When I posted one of my videos 2 months ago, last month ago, yes, it had only 13 views in the first 24 hours. I was frustrated, I was disappointed, I was worried, because that video is what I actually spend my time doing. But instead of giving up so soon, I tried this one small changes. That is, this particular changes is where I added timestamp, which is also called chapters. I added that timestamp to the video. Then the next morning, boom, the views jumped from 13 to 400 plus views in just a few days. I realized that YouTube started showing my video more in search result because I was given a structure. I was giving structure to my content. I make it easy for people to understand and navigate my content. The very first setting you need to do to make sure that every video you upload on your channel will actually go viral, which is called adding of timestamp. So what are timestamps? Timestamps are those clickable sections in your video description that allows viewers to jump to key parts of your videos, like to navigate some key parts of your video. And that timestamp is actually what you are seeing on the screen right now. By adding this, YouTube will actually see that your video is organized and valued and even structured. And once they notice that you are making your video easy, they will start pushing your video higher in search results. Even in Google, when you type the video title in Google, it will start showing up in Google. So make sure that each chapter includes a keywords. This will improve your visibility and it will help with SEO. The second thing you should do to make your video to go viral is always make sure that you rename your video file and your thumbnail file name. This one is always overlooked by small channels. Before you upload your videos, rename your actual file name to match your title. So instead of your initial video file name to be maybe movie or move 009876.mp4, rename it to maybe make any video go viral with this new SEO hack, or how to get 1000 subscribers in 4 days using this SEO hack. Do the same for your thumbnail, that particular thumbnail that you are using for that video. Why are you always doing this? Because YouTube will read your file names for extra SEO signals. It helps them understand what your video is about before anyone even watches that particular video. And before you upload your video, make sure you don't publish it immediately. Put it under private, unlisted, or even schedule it, because while doing that, you are giving YouTube time to understand and balance your video and balance your content and know the kind of people they'll push it to. The third thing you are going to do is make sure that you add keywords to description. This is what I always do on every of my video. If you go to this particular video description, you are going to see a lot of keywords that I use in this video. So your video description is not just for writing anything about that particular video. Your description, if you optimize it very well, it can help you get SEO signal from YouTube algorithm. Use this space to drop important keywords that matches what people are searching for, and sometimes you can still add a keywords related to that kind of video you want to make. For example, now in this video I share the best SEO tips for small YouTubers to go viral. Learn how to use timestamps, video chapters, rename files, add keywords, hashtags, and a lot of more. So always make it natural. Don't always spam it. Just be clear and helpful. The very first setting you are going to do anytime you upload your video is use hashtags. For small creators, hashtags are always gold, like they are gold mine. Always make sure that you use 3 to 4 relevant hashtags in your description. It always helps YouTube to also understand your niche, your content, and anything that has to do with your video, anything that has to do with your channel. Try hashtags like hashtag small YouTubers, hashtag YouTube growth, hashtag YouTube SEO, hashtag viral video tips. These hashtags give you chances to appear in the hashtag search results, especially for new channels. What do I mean? When you are adding this particular hashtag, when people come to this YouTube to search for a particular topic using hashtag, once you added that particular hashtag to your video, it is a must that your video is going to pop on the hashtag search results. So never you ignore hashtag in every of your video. The fifth is use keywords in your video description. Like in this video, I use a keyword intro. This particular keyword is powerful, but hardly anyone talks about it on this YouTube. When you start any of your video, say your main keywords. Say it out loud in the first 30 seconds. Why are you using keywords in your video description? Because YouTube actually transcribes those keywords from your voices and uses it for ranking. So if your video is about how to go viral on YouTube, say that particular keywords clearly. Say it clearly in your intro, that in a way that YouTube can detect that particular keywords. This is a bonus tips for you to boost your reach. Add it to a playlist with similar videos. Pin a keyword rich comment. Reply fast to early comments to boost engagement. Use end screen and cast to keep people watching in your channel and other of your videos. So these actions that you are doing right now will signal the YouTube that your video is worth pushing, and once they start pushing your video, you know what to do. Recommendation don't follow. So here is the deal. If you are tired of uploading videos and getting 10 views, start using this SEO hack today. This is what big YouTubers are using. Should I mention them? Dan the Creator, Live Video School, Princess Chiamaka, Vibe with Sonia, and so many other big YouTubers are using this particular SEO hacks, including me. So add timestamps, rename your files, use smart keywords, say them out loud, add hashtag, and use every little SEO signal YouTube gives you. It worked for me. when I was at 100 subscribers, and it can work for you too. If you want me to show you how to find the exact keywords or the difference between keywords and hashtags, check out this video. Okay, so this is where we are going to drop the end of this video. If you find this video interesting, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out when next I upload video. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.